Every task in Loft 2.0 has pre-filled speaker turns. These speaker turns are here for your convenience, but it is your job to check each and every single one of them thoroughly. Pre-filled speaker turns can easily be noticed because they're not solid in color like the one that I've created here earlier, but they have these white stripes all over them. They're also noted with this grayish line at the end of the transcription box, and a notice that says the content was pre-filled and needs approval. Right from the start, we can notice that this speaker turn violates at least one rule from the guidelines. It's almost a minute long, and we know that no speaker turn should last for more than 30 seconds. Also, the pre-filled transcription is wrong most of the times, so your job is to adjust this transcription to be the exact thing the speaker says and to follow each and every point in the guidelines. The pre-filled speaker turns do not follow the 0.5 second rules also, so they need to be thoroughly checked for that too. In conclusion, speaker turns are here to make your job easier, but having them there does not mean that the job is done, and you should never just go through the task, save each pre-filled speaker turns, and submit the task. If you do that, the task will be rejected.